Good evening, friends. Today I will take you round to Mizoram. There is a unique thing in Mizoram which finds mention in the Guinness Book of World Records and replace believe it or not. The world's largest family is there in Mizoram in a village called Baktawang, and the family is headed by Mr. Giona, who has 39 wives, 94 children, 16 daughters-in-law, 33 grandchildren. That is a total of 180 members of the family and is still counting. So this family holds the world record for being the largest family, and people from far and wide come here to see the family, to meet Mr. Giona. And today I will give you the most authentic account of this family, having visited the family myself, having met Mr. Giona myself, and having spent 1 hour with the family. I will give you the first hand account and the most authentic account, because I have seen other videos on YouTube, and many of them, the maker of the video has not been able to meet the family head, Mr. Giona. So today's video will be the most authentic for you. Friends, Mizoram is a state in the northeast of India, and on the north it is bounded by Manipur, Assam and Tripura, and on the south it has international boundaries with Bangladesh and Myanmar. Its area is 21,000 square kilometers, and as per 2011 census, the population was 11 lakhs only, which was the second lowest population among all the states in the country. So, having said that, I will now show you the pictures shot with Mr. Giona and the largest family to give a real life account of the family holding the world record of being the largest family and having featured in replace believe it or not also. So we go over to the photos now. We have landed in Mizoram, friends. Mizoram tourism welcomes us, and then we see the beautiful landscape of Mizoram. Clouds, thick clouds coming down to the level of the buildings there. The beauty has to be seen to be believed. Mizoram has very less land area. Mostly hills are there, and stilt houses have been built. So we have reached Mr. Giona's home, Baktawang village. It is a portrait of Mr. Giona. Another portrait of Mr. Giona, the head of the family. And here comes the eldest wife of Mr. Giona. Her portrait is there. Then the couple photograph, Mr. Giona with eldest wife, and the photo of the full family. All these photographs are framed and put up on the wall in the main hall of the house. And then Mr. Giona has emerged, and he has met me, and we are standing together. Photographs are at the back wall, you can see. Mr. Giona is a very nice personality, and very warm welcome he accords to the visitors. Here, me and my team, we are standing with him, and he is happy to meet everybody in the team without any murmur or protest. He has spent time with us. He offered me his throne. So he asked me to sit on his throne. He has a throne in his house. He is like a king there. So he permitted me to sit on his throne. Here I am sitting on his throne, on which he holds court. And he then sat beside me on the left and my colleague on the right. So I had the rare honor of sitting on the throne of Mr. Giona with his permission. And this is another shot of the family. You can see all generations are there. Mr. Giona's eldest wife has joined us now. She is there, seated. Mr. Giona is standing, and family is standing behind. The unity of the family is unique. Nobody complains of anything. All feel very happy to be in this family. And because of this feature, the family has remained united. Here, the eldest wife, Mr. Giona's, is welcoming me and shaking hands, and the other wives and children are standing at the back. So she has also posed for a photograph with me and my colleague, the eldest wife. Children you can see at the back. All were very happy. They offered us tea and juice also. And this is their kitchen. You can see the big vessels in which food is being cooked. The entire family consumes 50 kg of rice for lunch and 40 kg of rice for dinner. And if they take non-veg, about 120 eggs are used to make omelette, and 30 chickens have to be slaughtered to make chicken for the whole family for one meal. So here the wives are seated. They all were very kind and posed with us. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4 wives there, and they explained all the things to us, cooking, how the utensils are used, and with sweet memories now we are coming back, also seeing